Hey guys, welcome to WordsAtScale, and in this video we are continuing with our Claude SEO Autopilot experiment. We've already covered 4 types of keyword research and 2 types of multimedia articles, those being product roundups and informational articles. And today I'll show you how I create news types of articles, which are way different from your typical SEO articles. They look like this: an amazing featured image, main thought, multiple links to the sources, main facts and statistics, and strong CTA to keep on following the website. So as you can see, this is intentional. This is a news type of article built as an inverted pyramid that also serves as an opinion piece. And this is meant to write a sharp source take, publish-ready self-contained HTML, and this is built for discovery, top stories, and shares. This 400 to 650 word news take is built like a column. It opens with your stance, turns into a night graph, tells the story as narrative, and lands on a kicker. Every quote and number is linked to a primary source. Out comes one self-contained HTML file you paste straight into WordPress, and you can obviously use that inside of a complete automation. This is not an SEO article, so you will not find any key takeaway blocks, no question H2s, no FAQ accordions, no keyword density rules. However, there are strict rules this skill follows, which is the headline, which is meant to hook in the first 8 words, freshness, this is what Google favors, regionality, and angle that isn't a rewrite, EAT, a real byline link to the credentialed author bio, and point of view. Discover rewards timely opinionated articles with a stance. And everything the skill enforces serves one of these 5 levers: structure, length and rhythm, attribution and voice. And the skill goes through the motions with these 5 steps. It starts with a pre-flight interview. Then it reports the story using web search and web fetch. Then locks in the angle and writes the headline, generates a nice hero image, writes the whole article, again as a hybrid pyramid narrative piece, and verifies that it actually follows a 16-point checklist. These are some of the dependencies that you would need. Web search and web fetch are Claude defaults. You need a GPT image 2 skill, which you create with the help of key API key. Then Reddit research and playwright are optional. However, the Reddit research helps gather additional information and add flavor to the news, and playwright captures screenshots if needed. Some of the checks that this skill goes through before publishing the article is checking whether the headline is less than 110 characters, that the hook is present in the first 8 words, the length is no longer than 650 words, the strongest counter argument acknowledged and answered, every quote and stat linked to a primary source. This is very important, and some of the other things that are important for a news type of articles. Once again, this adds to the ensemble of our content generating skills. I've already shared with you my informational article skill, my review article skill, and now finally the news article skill that you can install straight away. Quick reminder, this is meant to be used as part of this entire Claude SEO Autopilot ecosystem. However, you can still connect the skills together as they are. You can pick my news generating skill and the news article skill, wire them together, and run 24/7. These skills are going to be free inside of my school community. They are part of this Claude SEO Autopilot. As you can see, we've got keyword research skills, and now there's going to be a 3rd article generation skill. If you don't want to pay a monthly, I've launched my vibeseoskills.com store with my premium skills. Most of these premium skills are not inside of my school community, so you can either get that skill without subscribing to my school community, or you can browse for additional skills like the LM keyword research skill, product authority skill, the niche toe, gap scanner, or the PSEO research, which are all amazing and custom built. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.